Okay, there's now a turkey following me. I don't like it. I want it to go away. Oh my god, there's like a gang of turkeys coming this way, and there's one behind me too. Surrounded by turkeys. Oh god, I hope they leave me alone. Why am I so scared of them? Look at them, they're huge. Oh, there's an enormous squirrel. Turkey. Turkey. More turkeys. Oh my god. Okay. Come on. These are my favorites. That's a downy woodpecker. They're very friendly. This is a tufted titmouse. Oh, they're a little skittish. This is a female downy woodpecker. Okay, that was rude. These little guys are apparently starving to death because they are incessant. Ooh! Oh my god. Okay, oh my god, okay. Here's what just happened. A downy woodpecker was in my hand. A much larger red-bellied woodpecker shooed it off, and the downy woodpecker landed on my head. And I was startled and scared them, all of them away. I really want the red-bellied woodpecker to come back. Because those are super, like, look at this. This is so cool. So cool. Come on. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. A bird landed on my head. That would startle anyone. There's another one right here on this log, on the tree now. Okay. Oh. Okay. Get some. Go. Your turn now. There we go. There he is. Hi. Wait, you don't like any of it? Another turkey. There's a female cardinal. You can barely see her. I'm now being followed by a different turkey. Oh, that one's coming. There we go. Here he comes. Yeah. There you go. Don't eat all of it, okay?